friends, my name is Phani Raj. I'm studying in third class, Balance Jubilee Hills, Hyderabad. My hobby is to play video games and develop video games too. Do watch my short animated movie. Thanks to Smaowl team.
The COVID-19 pandemic, also known as the coronavirus pandemic, caused by severe acute respiratory syndrome. The outbreak was first identified in Wuhan, China, in early December 2019. Touch me not, be careful. How a virus spreads, it simply multiplies. Almost 52 countries affected by deadly COVID-19 across the world.
Stay home, stay safe. Prime Minister Narendra Modi Ji's call for do not a curfew is not curfew. It is care for all. Stay indoors and protect our society from this pandemic.
Symptoms of COVID-19 are fever, sore throat, headache, cough, chills, shortness of breath. Stay home if you feel unwell. If you have a fever, cough and difficulty breathing, seek medical attention. Call in advance. Follow the directions of your local health authority. To prevent the spread of COVID-19, don't touch your eyes, nose or mouth. Cover your nose and mouth with your bent elbow or a tissue when you cough or sneeze. Clean your hands often. Use soap and water, or an alcohol-based hand rub. Boost your immune system by taking immunity-boosting foods. Avoid mass gathering and crowded places. There are frontline superheroes out there fighting for you.
A big bow to all the superheroes.
A big tribute to doctors, nurses, midwives, sanitary cleaners and police for their bravery and handwork. Sincere thanks and appreciation for journalists, reporters and media professionals for the services they perform. My grandfather's once in your life you need a doctor, lawyer, but every day 3 times you need a framer. A good teacher is like a candle, it consumes itself to light the way for others.
Be a warrior forever!